Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Today is gonna be kind of a fun video. A lot of people, I know I did, when I first started wet shaving or thinking about it, I tried to do a little bit of research, and the first person that popped up was Kensurfs. And he is one of those guys that you feel right at home watching him, and you know, everything he says, you kind of take it like it's written in stone, if you know what I'm saying. He seems like a real trustworthy guy. And so today's shave, if you've already seen the title, you've seen that's going to be a Kensurfs kind of shave. And so I broke out some of my stuff that I have that is similar to his. I know he loves Creed Aventus. I do too. It's a great scent. And so I got out my Ariana and Evans Spartacus, which is a dupe of that. What a nice scent. And I didn't realize how much of my Creed Aventus I've actually been using. So this is going to be my shave. You know, this seems a little strange. Let's, yes, this feels right. A Kensurfs kind of shave. Feels a little strange being in Ken's den. I better head back home. Anyway, we're going to continue on. I hope you guys liked a little bit of the screen magic. Like I said, Ken is a great guy. Ken, hopefully I didn't upset you. I know Ken loves the Merkur 34G, which is a gold-plated. I have the C, and I have it loaded with my Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade. I almost said silver blue because it starts with an S. I already have my soap whipped up here in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And I'm using this Boar brush made by Semouge. And this is often seen on Ken's channel as well. Here's what the lather looks like. And if you guys didn't see Ken's video, I will put a link to it in the description box below. And though it's not exactly a replica of his shave, I just gathered some things that I knew he uses. And probably one of the things I will be using that he doesn't, or that I haven't really seen him use, is some star jelly for the post-shave routine. I've got, I think 2 days worth of growth here and a fresh haircut from yesterday. And I'm ready to shave off the stubble. I'm going to warm up my razor in the bowl here full of warm water and get the shave going with pass number 1. A lot of people recommend this particular razor for a beginner because I feel like it's a pretty mild razor, and it's safe. I think it's one of those things that's just been said over and over and over. For me, it does have a little bit more blade feel. You can see there's quite a bit of blade sticking out there. And so if you're new to wet shaving and you do pick this razor up, you're probably not going to be familiar with what this is supposed to feel like. And if this is all you know, you will be completely fine with it. I just had a conversation through text message with Al yesterday, and we were talking about razor combos with the blade and how different soaps can affect shave feel. And I can remember the day when you would go down the toothpaste aisle and there may be one or two items. And so you didn't really have this wide variety of things to try. And so you only knew those two things, and you either were okay with it or not. And with the shaving world, there is just so many things to choose from. Once you become excited in it and you realize how fun it is, it begins to become this situation where you're seeking this perfect shave. And I try to tell people, amongst your journey, if you decide to go down that route and you find a shave that you just feel is the best shave you've ever had, I really recommend stopping and just say, okay, this is the razor and blade combo for me. You know, brushes don't really affect the overall experience that much. And if you find the soap, you know, all three of those, the blade, the razor, and the soap combo that works for you, I would just stick with that and then start branching off on the soap and experimenting around with different scents. But that's just my opinion, and you guys can do whatever you want. Because the temptation is real. Especially if you're seeing all these other shave of the day photos and watching videos and such. You will soon be tempted. I know I was. And it's probably too much to really ask, because you just get all excited in it and you want to try everything. And it really takes a lot of willpower to not want to continue purchasing more and more. The soap is nice. I think I've had maybe 3 or 4 of the A&E soaps. One was the Asian pear, and I went through that one. And I have this one, and I can't think of what the other one is. I forgot to look on my list. So if you're in for a mild shave, grab one of the 34Cs. It's kind of an iconic razor. So let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. What a nice mild shave. And let's see here, we're gonna do the star jelly. I don't have a A&E splash. To be honest, I'm not sure that they make an A&E splash. For whatever reason, during my journey, I started out with soaps and then later got splashes and balms and all that stuff, because I wasn't really sure. All right, and time for the money shot. Just gonna spray just a little, like one on each side. Oh yes. What an epic shave. Well, I would say that was nice. And Ken, you picked out some good items for a very nice shave. And I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.